gosh, West Virginia is just gorgeous.
Hey guys, this is John from Over the Hill Hiker. Welcome to my Spruce Knob, state high point of West Virginia hike. I love to hike, travel, explore, and just do and see cool stuff. Hope you come along with me and enjoy my adventures. So the Spruce Knob area, absolutely beautiful area. As you get close to the top, there's this incredible overlook. And then just above this is the parking lot for Spruce Knob. Just a beautiful, beautiful area. Hope you enjoy this hike.
Top of West Virginia, 4863. Whispering Spruce Trail. Wow, that is gorgeous. Check that out. My gosh, West Virginia is just gorgeous. Let's check out the moss. It's not showing up in the camera as pretty as it is in real life. It's nuts. So this is going to be my 33rd state high point, I believe. Yeah, the 33rd. This must be a big backpacking area. Seen a bunch of people backpacking. Very interesting. All the rocks up here. Really interesting. It's just a gorgeous place. I think I'm here. We got a little building, tower, whatever you want to call it. It's kind of cool. I'm gonna walk around it first, and then I'll climb up it. Let's go check it out. Check that out. It's incredible. Spruce Knob. This is number 20 or 33 for me. It's a overlook over here, so I'm just gonna come over here and check out. Gosh dang, it is just so pretty here. I could not get over it. So pretty. All right. Oh, check out that overlook. That is gorgeous. All right, I think I'm gonna head out of here. All right, I'm gonna head out of here. There's a different trail that I can head back on. So I'm gonna take that trail back to the car, or back to my car. I love hearing the sounds of nature as you're walking along. Panoramic view of the valley down below. So right up on top where I was at. It's just up there. Again, this is Spruce Knob, and this is the state high point of West Virginia. This is my 33rd state high point. All right, I'm out of here.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Super excited to get it done. If you enjoyed this video, give me a big thumbs up. If this is the first time you have experienced my channel, don't forget to subscribe. And like always, remember, I appreciate you guys. Thanks for hiking with me.